Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be perfect for back to school. I am going to be sharing 5 different lunches that I regularly pack for my kids and send with them to school. Here is our first lunch. I packed some of the pretzel sticks, some sliced up celery. This is chocolate hummus, which sounds really weird, but I think that this tastes like frosting. It has some protein in it because of the beans. Let's see here. So 2 tablespoons. Okay, it has basically no protein. Apparently it has 1 gram of protein for 2 tablespoons, which that isn't even this amount. So there goes that theory, but it's something fun for the kids. I served it with some red berries. We've got some raspberries and strawberries in here, and then just a basic turkey sandwich on white bread. My kids do not like any sort of condiments on their sandwiches because they think that they get soggy when they take them to school. For their snack, I am sending this mini sweet and salty nut bar. Both of my little kids anyway, are gonna have the exact same lunch. And then I'm going to fill up their water bottles with just some water. So we have a dinosaur water bottle for one child and a construction water bottle for the other child. These are the bars that I'm sending. I like that they are so much smaller. For a snack, I don't think that they need the full bar size portion. So I think that this will be perfect for them to have as a little treat after they eat their lunch. All right, it's a little bit loud here because everybody's trying to get ready for school. Today's lunch is some carrots. These are a little bit sad looking, so I'm not sure he'll eat these, but we're going to pack them anyway. An apple, pepperoni, some butter crackers, pickles in case he doesn't end up eating all of those carrots, and then his treat is these little chocolate cookies. These come from Trader Joe's. And my kids are obsessed with these as a treat. So I thought that it would be fun to send them on the first week of school. And then I'm going to just fill up his water bottle. Today's lunch, we are going with another snack box. I didn't mention it before, but I stick these little muffin liners. These are just silicone muffin liners that came off of Amazon to keep all of the food separated. And then I always pack it in this BENTO box. All of these items came off Amazon. If I can find them, I will link them in the description box down below. We have some sliced up bell pepper, carrots, grapes, apples, sliced turkey, hummus, and then I have packed a reusable bag of just some pretzel sticks to dip in the hummus. The lunch I'm sending today is going to be utilizing leftovers from last night's dinner. I cooked up these chicken sausages that come from Trader Joe's, and I'm just putting them into hot dog buns. This is a little container of ketchup for him to add to his hot dogs when he gets to school. This child likes relish, and I didn't have any, so I decided to just send some pickles with him, and then the rest of our strawberries. Today's lunch is my version of Pizza Friday. I found these pepperoni pizza minis at Trader Joe's, and I just stick them in the air fryer for about 7 minutes at 300 degrees. And that way you don't have to deal with trying to preheat your oven in the morning. You just can stick it in and it cooks really quickly. I would recommend keeping an eye on it. The first time I did it, I cooked them for too long and it will burn. So if you're going to cook these in the air fryer, just make sure you do keep an eye on them. I am also going to be including some raspberries and then an assortment of veggies. We have some Persian cucumbers, celery, and carrots. I think that this will be plenty. I don't think that I'm going to send any sort of treat. I think pizza in and of itself is probably going to be considered treat enough for today's lunch. And then because I've been asked before when I send things that are supposed to be hot like this, my kids don't mind if it is at room temperature. And I've also been asked if things like this get soggy, and in my experience, they don't. The kids have never complained that they're soggy or not eaten it because it was soggy.
If you're new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will include an entire playlist full of children's meal ideas here, as well as a video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I hope you are all doing well. Bye.